Editing the height and width. Here we can see we have three columns A, B and C. When you click on the letter A, it will highlight the column A, similarly with column C. The line between A and B, you notice that when you hover over it, the arrow pointer changes with two arrows to both directions. When you hold down your mouse and click and move right or left, the column width will change. It can become bigger or smaller. You can do the same to each of these columns. But when you double click it, it auto fits the width of the column to the widest thing that is in the column. Here, subject 3 is the widest cell. So when I double clicked, it has adjusted to the widest cell. Similarly on B, you can do the same thing on the rows as well. Select a row, click between the two numbers and drag it down or up to decrease or increase the height. If you double click it, it will auto fit similar to the columns. Instead of doing each column or in each row, you can do multiple. If I click on letter A and drag it until C, I can highlight three columns at the same time. Once I resize the column A, it shows only A in the preview, but when I release the mouse, it shows all the columns have changed the width. Similarly, we can do the same thing for the rows. Highlighting the rows 1, 2 and 3, I'm dragging between 1 and 2. That increases the height of all the rows. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Please subscribe and like the video. Have a great day.